Hello genders, welcome back to the channel. And today I will make another coloring video. I was thinking about making another one because I am really enjoying coloring these practice papers. But today I will tell you about the benefit of practicing these papers also. To know it, you must watch the entire video without skipping. But before that, those of you who haven't seen my previous videos, please go and watch them quickly and comment on what you think about them. Well, let's talk about this practice paper. I have come straight away with this one, and I'll color this one with watercolor. And you see, I took this brush. I bought this brush here because it was very small, very low priced brush, and I thought that such a cheap brush might not be that good, meaning it wouldn't be able to hold water for a long time. But I was a little wrong about this brush. This brush can definitely hold water, and the little pointy means it gives so nice finishing, you see. And it's like it's all in your hand. You can handle it. But before that, I have to tell you that keep a tissue paper by your side when you do watercolor. It's so useful when you do watercolor because sometimes you took a loads of water in your brush and you need to wipe it out. Then you need a tissue paper or a cotton cloth. A cotton cloth will be perfect for those who can't buy tissue paper or don't have tissue paper by their side, so they can take cotton cloth. So at the beginning of this video, I told you guys that what's the point of practicing these practice papers, right? So can anybody guess? Do you have any idea? Okay, just forget it. Let me tell you. So, देखो फायदे तो बहुत सारे हैं, but it's up to you what you want to learn about watercolor or any kind of art. It's up to you. Like, the benefits you'll get is that you'll be able to understand the colors, like which color you need to use first and which color you can use in the middle and which color you have to use in the end. So it's kind of like rules, but it's not the rules at the same time. To me, I like these practice papers because I feel like these types of color papers are helping me understanding colors and areas where I have weakness and where I miss small things. Kind of like, if you have noticed, I painted the tiles with a mixture of light blue and pink. So it will look like a animation, or what can I say in a better way, like old vintage kind of, like old-fashioned kind of feel. Wouldn't it? Why don't think about it? And here, look closely. Look at the door. I painted it with a golden brown. It contrasts with the blue and it's kind of like vibrant. I like this way. Look, I think watercolor or any other color like acrylic or gouache or oil painting, all of these things has a little difficult and a little easy at the same time. You just have to understand how to handle all the colors and with your brushes, with your hand movement. That's important. I think you should also make a practice papers, a book where you will have all your own drawings. You will draw it, keep it, and then gradually color it as you like. You will color it as you like, as you like, whatever color you like. Whether it's good or bad, I don't think you really should care about that. The only thing you should care about yourself and your happiness. Be positive in your life and stay calm. To be honest, if someone is inspired by watching this video and listening to me, If someone's learning something good from this video, then that is my greatest gift. I don't want anything else. That's why I say leave a comment, because what you think and what you say are very, very important to me. Okay, let me give you a task today. Draw a house like this and paint it however you want. Whether it's bad or good, it doesn't really matter. And then DM that painting in my Instagram ID. Just do this. Please complete the task. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like it and you see the painting and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Take care. Bye bye.